Tammy, can you share with our audience, specifically for your program Rise, what are the goals and long-term goals with this project?
That's a great question. Yeah, we have right now Rise is open here in Chicago, and we have a group that is forming in Washington State as well. And I think we have about 320, 350, somewhere like that, people on the Facebook group. So what we're doing, like Ami said, is the Zoom conferences and Facebook Lives. And we have guest speakers come in, or we just have peer consulting style conversation around topics that would be supportive and helpful. I personally believe that it's extremely powerful when women come together in any kind of circle group. They kind of, circle up, and with these powers combined, we're Captain Planet kind of a thing. We have the capability to move ourselves forward collectively and individually be moved forward in that process. And I just think it's really powerful. So we set it up to be open to everybody on that front. Right now it is specifically for women who are in real estate. And then we're adding to it a new thing called Elevate by Rise, and that is specifically for individuals or brokerages who want to either have a year's worth of really leveling up their business and integrate that leveling up with the same kind of support that we get through Rise. And or individually they could do, or as a group they could do like a power packed fast track that we can do in as little as 12 weeks. So that's something we're super excited to share. We've done it here and there in our own piece together ways, but this is going to be a brand new platform bringing everything in one place.
I love the fact that you came up with that, ladies, because I don't think there's anything like it in the industry.
Not that we've heard of. So,
I think it's something that's really missing, just for brokers in general, all over the country. It doesn't need to be here or anywhere else. It's just, I think it's important to have an open platform to speak about what you're going through and what challenges you're having. And you may not want to share everything that agents don't always like to share what they're going through. They just want to listen, they want to absorb. And I think that platform for them to do that is available. And I think that the feedback that we've gotten has been very positive, and it's helped them kind of get their day started, or whatever they were grappling with. It really helped them to kind of find an answer, even if they didn't talk to us about it. And I think that kind of help is very important.
What is that?
Having said that, where can someone get a hold of you?
Where's that coming from?
Well, we've got our Facebook page, Rise for Women on Facebook, and
yeah, and you guys can email us directly at inquire, INQUIRE, at rise.style, and we'll answer you right back. But yeah, if you're on Facebook, you might as well send us a message. We're good at responses, we promise, and we would also love to have you if you're a woman in real estate, or if you just want to tune in and check us out on our Facebook Lives, which we are going to have one the third week of October, but then we're starting up on Mondays as of the beginning of November. So Monday mornings.
And what is your show on Mondays called?
It's just the Rise Live.
I thought you had something else.
Manifestation Mondays.
Manifestation Mondays.
I did my research now.
You did.
True.
Good listening
That's
this
true.
morning.
I was listening.
And Elevate by Rise, if anyone's interested in that, you might want to get on our books because we're going to fill them up. But we are working with a limited amount of brokerages and individuals for 2019 who want to level up their business with this kind of support behind them. So
Love it. I'll be there. Nick, are you going to be there, or is it just for women?
No, Elevate by Rise we're doing for
Everybody.
men and
It's
women.
a bunch of women there?